Online tutoring. Offer your expertise as an online tutor through platforms like Preply or Tutorful. With many people stuck at home during a recession, there may be an increased demand for online education. Virtual event planning. Help businesses and organizations plan and execute virtual events, such as webinars, online conferences or virtual concerts. Content creation. Create and monetize content on platforms like YouTube, Twitch or Instagram. As people spend more time online during a recession, there may be a growing demand for entertainment and information. Online market research. Participate in online market research studies or surveys to earn money and rewards. Companies often conduct market research to gain insights into consumer behavior and preferences, even during a recession. Delivery services. Start a delivery service for essential items, such as groceries or medication. With more people avoiding public spaces during a recession, there may be an increased demand for delivery services.